Welcome to House Lux Estate, your #1 channel for all things fascinating and enlightening. We're here to pique your curiosity, quench your thirst for knowledge, and introduce you to a world of wonder you never knew existed. From the mysteries of the cosmos to the depths of our own planet, we cover it all. So buckle up and prepare for an exciting journey into the unknown. In today's video, we delve into the heart of the earth. We reveal 10 surprising facts about the mining industry. Fact number 1. Did you know the mining industry is ancient? The art of extracting valuable materials from the earth dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Romans and Egyptians mined precious metals like gold and silver, and stones like flint and quartz. They developed ingenious methods to dig deep into the earth and extract these resources, long before the advent of modern machinery. Over the centuries, mining techniques have evolved significantly. The Middle Ages saw the introduction of more advanced tools, and the Industrial Revolution brought about a seismic shift with the invention of steam-powered machinery. Today, we use cutting-edge technology from drones to artificial intelligence, making mining more efficient and less labor-intensive. Mining is not just a commercial activity, it's a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. So, the next time you see a piece of metal, remember it's part of an age-old tradition. Here's fact number 2. The mining industry is vast. When we talk about mining, we're not just talking about a few types of minerals or a handful of countries. This is a global industry with a reach as wide as it is deep, both literally and metaphorically. From the gold mines of South Africa to the coal mines of China, from the diamond mines of Canada to the copper mines of Chile, the mining industry is everywhere. But it's not just about the geographical spread. There's also a vast range of materials being mined. We're talking about everything from precious metals like gold and silver, to industrial minerals like limestone and clay, to energy resources like coal and uranium. So next time you look at a piece of jewelry or switch on a light, remember, the mining industry is behind it all. Indeed, mining is a global phenomenon. Fact number 3, mining and technology are inseparable. The mining industry has been revolutionized by technology, and it continues to evolve at an impressive rate. From the early days of simple tools, we've moved to robotic machinery, drones, and even artificial intelligence. For instance, in modern mining operations, drones are used for surveying and mapping, while AI helps in predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Robotic machinery, on the other hand, is used in places too dangerous for humans, ensuring safety while maintaining productivity. Moreover, the use of technology has also made the mining industry more sustainable. Advanced equipment allows mining companies to extract minerals with less waste and more precision. And let's not forget about data. Today's mining companies are swimming in data, which, when analyzed correctly, can lead to more efficient and profitable operations. So it's safe to say mining has come a long way since the pickaxe. Fact number 4, mining has a significant environmental impact. This is a truth that's as hard as the minerals we extract. When we mine, we are essentially disturbing the Earth's surface, creating large holes and tunnels. This can lead to soil erosion, deforestation, and loss of biodiversity as habitats are destroyed. In addition to this, mining processes often require large amounts of water, resulting in the depletion of local water sources. And let's not forget about air pollution. Dust and emissions from mining operations can contribute to poor air quality, leading to health issues for local communities. The processing of mined minerals also poses an environmental challenge. It often involves chemicals that, if not managed properly, can contaminate local water and soil. However, it's important to remember that mining also brings benefits, providing raw materials for many of the things we use every day. The mining industry is indeed a double-edged sword. Fact number 5, mining plays a pivotal role in the economy. The mining industry is a significant contributor to the economic health of many nations, providing jobs, infrastructure, and essential materials. It's not just about extracting minerals and jewels from the earth. The impact is much broader, reaching into the fabric of our societies. Mining fuels industries that manufacture goods we use daily. It's the primary source for materials used in construction, technology, transportation, and even the jewelry that adorns us. Moreover, mining often leads to the development of local communities. New mines mean new jobs, new schools, new roads, and improved living conditions. It's also worth noting that mining companies often pay hefty taxes and royalties, contributing significantly to the national treasury. These funds can be used to improve healthcare, education, and other public services. Mining, therefore, is an economic powerhouse. It's an industry that, when managed responsibly, can provide a wealth of benefits to a nation and its people. Fact number 6. Safety in mining is a major concern. The subterranean world is fraught with potential hazards, from falling rocks to the ever-present danger of gas leaks. It's a world where split-second decisions can mean the difference between life and death. But this is not a world without safeguards. Modern mining operations employ a host of safety measures to protect their workers. There are stringent regulations, rigorous training programs, and state-of-the-art equipment designed to mitigate risks. Yet, the challenges remain. As mines go deeper and the search for minerals becomes more intense, new threats emerge. From heat stress in deep mines to the threat of seismic activity, the industry must constantly innovate to stay ahead of these risks. And while progress has been made, the quest for a zero-harm industry continues. Because in mining, every life is precious, and every accident is one too many. Safety, it seems, is a never-ending pursuit in the mining industry. Fact number 7. Mining has a significant societal impact. In many parts of the world, mining is more than just an industry. It's a way of life. It shapes communities, influences local economies, and even impacts education. Mining towns often spring up around operations, bringing with them a surge in local infrastructure and services. The influx of workers and their families can lead to the construction of schools, hospitals, and other essential facilities. This growth can breathe life into previously quiet regions, creating bustling hubs of activity. On the flip side, when mines close, it can leave communities grappling with unemployment and economic decline. It's a complex relationship, one that's deeply intertwined with the highs and lows of the industry. And it's not just about the economics. Mining also plays a significant role in shaping social attitudes towards environmental conservation, labor rights, and indigenous land ownership. Mining, thus, shapes societies in more ways than one. Fact number 8. Mining is a major source of employment. We're not just talking about the hard-working folks who put on their helmets and venture underground. The mining industry extends far beyond the mine itself. It encompasses a wide array of professions, from geologists studying the composition of the ore, to engineers designing the extraction process, and even economists analyzing market trends. The ripple effect of mining employment is significant too. For every job in the mines, there are estimated to be at least 2 indirect jobs created in the local community. These can include roles in transportation, catering, or equipment maintenance. Furthermore, the mining industry also invests heavily in training and skill development, creating a pathway for individuals to not just have jobs, but develop long-lasting, fulfilling careers. Mining, therefore, puts bread on the table for many. Fact number 9. Mining is all about exploration. Imagine a world where the quest for the unknown is a daily routine. The mining industry is that world. Exploration is the heartbeat of mining. It's a process that begins with a hunch, a geological map, and the audacity to dream of what might lie beneath the Earth's crust. From there, the real adventure begins. Geologists, archaeologists, and mining engineers join forces in a thrilling race against time and nature. They employ an impressive array of tools from satellite imagery and geophysical surveys to advanced drilling technologies. It's a grand game of hide-and-seek with Mother Nature, where the stakes are high and the rewards often monumental. But it's not just about the economic gain. The exploration process often leads to groundbreaking scientific discoveries, contributing to our understanding of the Earth's history and its infinite complexities. Mining, it seems, is an adventure in its own right. Finally, fact number 10. Mining is indispensable. A thought-provoking statement, isn't it? Yet it's an irrefutable truth. The world as we know it would be drastically different without mining. From the copper in our smartphones, the gold in our jewelry, to the coal that provides electricity, mining's contribution is omnipresent. We've journeyed through the ancient origins of the mining industry, its vastness, and its intertwining relationship with technology. We've delved into the environmental impacts of mining and its significant role in our economy. We've addressed the importance of safety regulations within the industry and the role mining plays in our society. We've explored the employment opportunities it offers and the new frontiers of mining exploration. These 10 points highlight the integral role mining plays in our everyday life. It's a complex and multifaceted industry, one that continues to evolve and adapt to our changing world. But remember, the story of mining is not finished. It's an ongoing narrative, filled with innovation, challenges, and opportunities. It's a story that we, at House Lux Estate, are excited to continue telling. We hope you found these 10 surprising facts about the mining industry as intriguing as we did. Our world is full of wonder, and mining is just one of the many industries that make it so. That wraps up our 10 surprising facts about the mining industry. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more enlightening content from House Lux Estate.